Hi, I'm Jenny Anchondo with another of the 10 best Closets by Design Dallas-Fort Worth. How do you totally maximize a space? Well, with a motorized pull down for seasonal wear, and there are a ton of other touches. Let's meet the homeowner. Well, this closet actually used to be an office with a fireplace, and boy, has it transformed. Now we are with the homeowner, Louise, to tell us about it. Hey, Louise.
Hi, Jenny, how are you?
Oh my gosh, I'm great now that I'm in this fabulous closet. So the first thing that really stands out to me is that you have maximized every single inch. So how'd you do it? I know that you work closely with your designer.
It definitely was my designer. I had a lot of things in mind on how I wanted the closet to lay out, but if it wasn't for her, with her knowledge of knowing how to use the modular setup that they use and putting everything together exactly the way that I would like to see my closet, it would never have worked out the way it did.
Well, you know, this room is a uniquely shaped room, right? It's not just a square or a rectangle, and even with that, it seems like you use that to your benefit.
Yes, well, it is actually a very unique room. There were doors right behind me, which now is a perfectly great closet. With, again, my designer, she came in and she looked at everything and we worked it out, and we wanted the windows to be available to look out and have the natural light. So we just changed everything around and she came in and this is what we have.
This closet has more amenities than a Neiman Marcus store. For example, let's talk about your jewelry situation.
So this happens to be a velvet-lined double-decker jewelry drawer.
A double-decker velvet-lined jewelry drawer. This is amazing. And it really helps you to organize everything and be able to see it clearly.
Right, exactly. It's got little spaces for the rings, also the necklaces, then your bracelets, and you can really lay it out however you want to. But it does take quite a lot of jewelry, so I have a lot of different jewelry in the top and bottom layers.
I see that. But so many women struggle with having their jewelry tangled and having it every which way. Here you can clearly see what you have available.
You just lay it out and easy to choose, easy to wear.
You are shopping in your own store.
That's right.
As we continue this tour of this masterpiece of a closet that's really like a work of art, we have to draw our attention to this solution, Louise, you have for your belts. This is really special, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. It is a Lucite belt organizer, and they come in a couple of different sizes. This one actually holds approximately 16 belts, and this one holds 20 belts.
And we were talking about the belt situation too. When they're hanging down, they can catch on your clothes, and it gets kind of muddied up in the rest of your
messy.
wardrobe.
Absolutely.
And you were saying this kind of helps you to stay organized.
Yes, it absolutely does.
What was it like to work with the organizer on this whole project?
It was actually really, really interesting to find out what all is available to be able to organize your closet. And Closets by Design really does have a lot to choose from. So it's really a fun project.
I think these drawers are so special too. Show how they close.
So these are actually the soft close drawers. I don't think that all their drawers are the same, but you just push them and they just kind of close by themselves.
Gorgeous.
It's lovely.
So if you want to maximize every single square inch of space in any room in your house and make it your dream closet, visit Closets by Design at closetsbydesign.com.